This is Project Flashback, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 finished to our client's exact specification. Flashback is painted in full gloss Santorini black. Flashback sits on 16x8 Mach 5 satin black wheels with Nitto grappler tyres. This D90 features a classic front bumper with warm winch, a frontal 4-point style cage and a NAS rear bumper. Inside, Flashback features a Nardi Challenge steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front seats, with 4 inward-facing jumps in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Torino caviar and Chelsea grey leather, stitched together in black. Flashback is powered by our 430 horsepower GM LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. Flashback also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo with JL audio speakers, Apple CarPlay and access to charging points throughout.